So this is what we're dealing with. Hold on.
I don't want to get too close to it. Ooh.
Yeah, I know. This is kind of dangerous.
Staying by
Even
the
though we're
window.
near a window, but this is what we're dealing with. I know it's dark, but ooh, I caught that.
Oh, did
Yeah, this is what we're dealing with.
you? Ooh.
Yes. You see a big ass lightning.
I'm sitting next to the window. That was me.
Don't do that, man.
Don't stand by window, guys.
Yeah, but we're standing next to a window.
No, I'm gonna redo that.
Man, I love this shot, man. I got a perfect view. Oh, that was beautiful. Yeah, this is what we're dealing with. We just had to go and close the chicken coop and the garage. And we come back and this started to flash. Excuse me.
Oh, I
Oh,
caught
yeah. Woo!
Oh, I
That's
caught
pretty good.
that.
I caught that.
This is sketchy.
This is, yeah, really sketchy. Dang.
But look at that view. It's almost gone.
Focus.
Oh my
Oh, I
god.
missed it. Dang it.
I missed that too.
Stand by the windows more clearly. Alright, that's it. That's enough.